Most people are afraid of the wrong animals. The ones that actually kill are almost never the ones you'd expect. They don't roar. They don't chase you across an open field. Some of them are small enough to hold in the palm of your hand, and you'd never know how dangerous they were until it was too late. Today we're counting down 7 animals that look completely harmless, but rank among the most dangerous creatures on the planet. Each one uses a different weapon, a different disguise, a different trick perfected over millions of years of evolution. Stay until the end, because number 1 might already be closer to you than you think. Number 7, the pufferfish. It looks like an ordinary fish, calm and slow-moving through the reef. But when threatened, it inflates its entire body into a spiky ball in seconds. A dramatic defense that's impossible to miss. The real danger isn't the spikes, it's what's inside. The pufferfish carries tetrodotoxin, a poison up to 1,200 times more lethal than cyanide by weight. A single fish carries enough to kill 30 adult humans. There is no antidote. And yet in Japan, chefs train for years to legally prepare this fish as a delicacy called fugu, slicing away the toxic organs with millimeter precision, because a single mistake can be fatal for the person eating it. One of the ocean's most dangerous poisons served as a delicacy on purpose. Number 6, the poison dart frog. Barely the size of a coin and colored so brightly it almost looks artificial. Electric blue, blazing yellow, deep red. In nature, colors this vivid usually mean one thing: stay away. This time, the warning is real. The golden poison dart frog carries enough toxin in its skin to kill 10 adult humans. It doesn't need to bite or sting. The poison is absorbed directly through skin contact alone. Indigenous tribes in South America have used this frog's toxin for centuries, coating the tips of hunting darts to bring down prey almost instantly. That's exactly how it earned its name. A creature small enough to sit on your fingertip, carrying one of the most potent toxins found anywhere in the animal kingdom. Number 5, the Deathstalker Scorpion. Scorpions have a reputation for being dangerous, but most species are barely more painful than a bee sting. The Deathstalker is the exception that changes everything. Barely the size of your palm, pale yellow, almost delicate looking. It's responsible for more human deaths than any other scorpion species on Earth. Its venom is a cocktail of powerful neurotoxins that overload the nervous system all at once. A sting causes intense burning pain that spreads rapidly through the body, often followed by fever, convulsions, and in severe cases, complete respiratory failure. Children and elderly victims face the highest risk. For them, a single sting can be fatal without immediate medical treatment. Researchers handling this scorpion in laboratories wear thick protective gear, not because it's aggressive, but because a single mistake can be catastrophic. In the animal kingdom, this is proof that size tells you almost nothing about how dangerous something really is. Number 4, the stonefish. This might be the most perfectly camouflaged killer in the ocean. It doesn't swim gracefully. It doesn't chase prey. It simply sits motionless on the seafloor, textured in gray, indistinguishable from the rocks around it. That's exactly what makes it so dangerous. You could walk across a shallow reef and step directly on one without ever noticing it was there. Along its spine are 13 needle-sharp dorsal fins, each one connected to a venom gland that activates the instant pressure is applied. The pain has been described by survivors as some of the worst imaginable, intense enough that some victims have begged doctors to amputate the affected limb just to make it stop. Without prompt treatment, the venom can lead to paralysis, tissue damage, and in severe cases, death within hours. Unlike most predators on this list, the stonefish doesn't hunt, it doesn't chase, it doesn't even attack unless provoked. It simply waits, perfectly disguised, for you to make the mistake. Number 3, the Brazilian wandering spider. Most dangerous spiders build a web and wait. This one doesn't. True to its name, it wanders actively across the forest floor at night, hunting down prey rather than waiting for it to arrive. That behavior alone makes it far more likely to cross paths with humans than almost any other venomous spider species. Its venom triggers intense pain, uncontrollable muscle spasms, and in some cases, a dangerous drop in blood pressure that requires emergency medical treatment. It's also known for an unsettling habit: hiding during the day in unexpected places, including shoes, stacked firewood, and shipping boxes filled with bananas, which is how it earned a second nickname among exporters. Ironically, researchers have discovered that its venom triggers prolonged and painful reactions in male victims, a side effect now being studied by scientists developing treatments for erectile dysfunction and certain heart conditions. One of the forest floor's most feared hunters might also become a medical breakthrough. Number 2, the box jellyfish. No brain, no bones, no heart, almost no weight at all in the water. On paper, this animal sounds like it shouldn't be capable of hurting anyone. It's actually considered one of the most venomous creatures on the entire planet. Its nearly transparent tentacles can stretch up to 3 meters long, each one lined with millions of microscopic stinging cells. A significant sting can cause cardiac arrest within minutes. Some victims never even make it out of the water. Unlike most jellyfish, which drift passively with the current, the box jellyfish can actually see. It has 24 eyes arranged in clusters around its body, and it uses them to actively hunt, propelling itself through the water at speeds of up to 4 knots, faster than most humans can swim away. Nearly invisible against open water, silent and actively hunting, this is one of the ocean's most efficient and least understood predators. And number 1, the mosquito. Not a joke, not an exaggeration. This is the most dangerous animal on planet Earth, and it isn't close. This tiny insect, barely visible, barely felt when it lands on your skin, is responsible for more human deaths every single year than every other animal on this entire list combined, including sharks, snakes, scorpions, and every venomous creature we've covered today. By transmitting diseases like malaria, dengue fever, and yellow fever, mosquitoes are estimated to kill over 700,000 people annually. Malaria alone accounts for the majority of those deaths, disproportionately affecting children under the age of 5 in tropical regions. There's no venom here, no poison delivered in a single dramatic strike. Just a tiny insect, spreading disease one bite at a time across billions of encounters every single year. Size has almost nothing to do with danger in the animal kingdom. The creatures we're taught to fear the most are rarely the ones that actually pose the greatest threat. From a beautiful reef fish to an insect you've probably ignored your entire life, these 7 animals prove that nature's deadliest weapons rarely come in the packaging you'd expect. If this list surprised you, that's exactly the point of this channel. Subscribe to Wild Animal Vault. We post new animal facts every week that will change how you see the wild. See you in the next one.